Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Oculus user looking to remove a headset from the app, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a full, step-by-step guide for 2025, making sure it's as simple as possible. Whether you're switching devices, troubleshooting issues, or just cleaning up your setup, this process will help you out in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Oculus app installed on your phone or computer. Updates can change things, so head to your App Store and check for any available updates. Once that's done, open the Oculus app and sign in with your account. This is crucial because the app needs to recognize your profile to manage devices. Now, navigate to the main menu. You'll see a settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots. Tap on that. In the settings section, look for Devices or Headset Management. This is where all your connected headsets are listed. Select the headset you want to remove. It might show up as Oculus Quest 3 feet or whatever model you have. Once you've selected it, you'll see options like Unlink or Remove Device. Go ahead and tap that. The app might ask for confirmation, so read the prompt carefully. It could warn you about losing data or access. If you're sure, confirm the action. Depending on your setup, this might take a few seconds as the app processes the change. After removal, double-check by going back to the devices list. Your headset should no longer appear. If you run into any errors, like the app freezing, try restarting it or checking your internet connection. Pro tip: if you're removing a headset because of pairing issues, consider resetting it directly from the device itself for a fresh start. And there you have it. That's how you remove a headset from the Oculus app in 2025. It's a straightforward process that keeps your VR experience smooth and hassle-free. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.